Hi! In front of me is HONOR Magic4 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can block app notifications from apps of your choosing on this device. First of all, go into Devices Settings. Now you need to scroll down, choose Notifications, and tap on Manage All. After that, tap on the switcher next to an app from which you don't want to receive notifications from, like Emperor. And as you can see, all notifications from this app are now blocked. If you wish to enable them, just click on the same switcher. But you can also go back, tap on one of your apps over here, and manage all notifications by tapping on this switcher next to Allow Notifications. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Bye!